Many churches have, but they have missed a dynamic. And the dynamic of the apostolic ministry, again, I believe, has to do with the lost, which I am very disappointed with a lot of, quote, apostolic people that I have met, because I don't see in them that, quote, burden of the law. So here are two of the greatest apostles in the scriptures, Peter and Paul. And here they were also two of the greatest evangelists in the New Testament, and yet for some reason, apostles today, or some of them, I'm not all of them, I don't want to put everybody in the same boat, because I know some that are really, on fire and reaching, people that don't know the Lord, but many of them were more of a mentality of franchising and keeping everything within than going without, going the outside, going in the outer courts.